How to search codes on Temu. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to search code in Temu app. So do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Without much ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Temu application on your device. Sign in to the particular account. Now, tap on the U icon at the bottom center of the screen. Tap coupons and offers. On this section, you will see different kinds of special offers for you. You can simply tap on the claim button for the multiple coupons and get different kinds of coupon codes there. So, with the help of the search bar, also you can easily enter the coupon code if you have any and tap the apply button. When you search for your particular coupon code, it will show on your result page. If the code has appeared, you can easily tap on it and redeem it and get different kinds of discount with the help of that coupon code on Temu. So in this way, you can easily search codes on Temu app. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.